This part of the review, the second part, we have to perform the indicated operation. In this case, we have several multiplication of rational expressions. And what I'm going to do here is solve probably two first. I'm going to go by twos. Okay, so I'm going to start with problem number 4, which is a simple multiplication of two fractions, 5/4 times 1/2. Remember, the multiplication, to find the multiplication, multiply across, but before you multiply, try to reduce the fraction. In this case, there is nothing to reduce, 5/4 times 1/2, then not in diagonals, and you never reduce horizontally, so there is nothing we can do. So in this case, we're going to have to multiply 5 times 1 is 5, 4 times 2 is 8. So 5/8 is the answer number 4. Number 5, we have z cubed over 40z times 5 over 3z squared. So we're going to start by getting rid of common factors, which in this case, let's say we're going to, for example, 40, we can rewrite it as 8 times 5, if 5 is going to get rid of with this 5. So z cubed and z squared disappear completely, and this 3 becomes a 1. So we have z over z, then this z cancels this z. What do we have on top? 5 and 40. So let's rewrite it. It's 5 over 40 times 3. But I'm going to write 40 as 8 times 5 times 3. Right? Then 5 cancels 5. You have only 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So you have 1 over 8 times 3 is 24. So that's the answer for number 5. For number 6, we have a problem that is a little bit more work. Y squared minus W squared over Y plus W times Y over Y squared minus YW. Okay, so let's factor in every single, before we multiply, if we're following the same process, you're going to factor every single numerator and denominator. So we have here, this is going to be Y plus W, Y minus W, because the difference of two squares. This part right here stays the same, Y plus W times Y over, we have here another part that we can factor out the Y, because the common factor, times Y minus W. So we are going to get rid of Y here, get rid of Y plus W, get rid of the Y minus W also. Everything is gone. So remember, when that happens, you all the time get 1 here and 1 here. So we have 1 times 1. The answer for number 6 is 1.